Wake up! Sorry, I didn't mean to frighten you, Mr. or Mrs. Senator or Member of Congress. Although maybe you should be. Because if you thought that was scary, just imagine hearing this sound constantly.
Warning, air raid alert in progress.
Day after day, for over 1,000 days since Putin's Russia began its invasion of Ukraine. Well, now you can experience that unsettling feeling for yourself with the air raid alarm clock. This innovative device is connected directly to the country's official air raid alert system, the same one used to warn its citizens of any incoming attacks from drones, mortars or missiles. So, every time an alarm goes off in Ukraine, you will hear it too. Not only will the sirens wake you up, not only will the sirens wake you up to the new reality Ukraine is facing, but they'll keep on doing so all day, every day, reminding you that while Trump and Putin negotiate their peace deal, the Russian attacks continue. And if that doesn't give you all the motivation you'll need to fight for Ukraine's right to decide their own future, I don't know what will. Act now and the air raid alarm clock can be yours. Absolutely free of charge. After all, it will be the whole world that ultimately pays the price. If you can't stop the sirens, the right way. Because the clock is ticking and time is running out.